April 1st marks International Bird Day. There's a group of birds with sharp claws and strong wings, known to kill other creatures for food. We call them raptors. China is home to 100 species of these magnificent sky warriors. For Chinese people, they are symbols of strength and majesty, which is why many are dedicated to protecting them.
Most of our raptors are from citizens. When they see an injured raptor, they would call us and tell us. So these two upland buzzards, they were actually found in Daxing district of Beijing. Both of them have injuries on their foot and their claws. It happens often in the wild because as a wild animal, they face all different dangers. They could get into a fight, or they could get injured. We would treat all the diseases that they have, and after all these physical conditions have been improved and they're healthy enough, we would then check their muscles to see if they're good enough to fly in the wild, and also to make sure that they're able to survive by themselves. We tend to release the bird where it's been found, if that place is good for the bird to live. But for an upland buzzard, or maybe for vultures, for those bigger sized birds, we would try to pick a park or forest, national parks that's a little bit outside of Beijing, like usually in the suburbs. Raptors are on the top of the ecosystem, and you could see in a way that they are indicators of the health status of the whole ecosystem. And they really do a very well job in controlling rodents and other smaller animals in the ecosystem. And Beijing is also on the migratory route for raptors. There are 100 species of raptors in China, and you could see 52 species in Beijing. That is a lot. There are more and more bird observers. They would report where they've seen certain species of birds.
Each spring, from March to early June, we track the birds of rapt flying north and count it every day. Our maximum record was over 3,700 in a single day. We have already spotted 36 species of raptors, like falcons, hawks, and eagles.
A lot of rescuers would follow us and see how is the bird doing. And because these years, the China government is trying to tell people about wild animal protection, and we're doing a lot of promotion on the wild animal protection law. And people's awareness of that is really raising. Well, the wildlife is sometimes quite cruel. A lot of raptors come to us, they don't make it. The earlier we rescue the raptor, the more chance they have to be back in the wild.